Good afternoon. Hello everybody. I'm really happy today because for the first time I will make DIY project from some of my old stuff. Everybody, really, I have so many old stuff in my cupboard. So, for the project, I need some material below. The first, I need fabric scissors to make my work is easy. And then the second, to make it better, so I need sponge double tip. Of course, I need one of my old shirt, and I will make the shirt to be backbone sweater. And the second, I have old jumpsuit, everybody. So I will make it only to be a trouser. And everybody, let's start to the first project of mine. The first, I will make backbone sweater from this shirt. Put this shirt with right part, and then I need a scissor. I will cut the neck part of the shirt, everybody. So do it very easy. Just follow the line of the shirt. Be careful. Just follow the line. Everybody, really, this is very easy. Done. And I will also cut the bottom part of the shirt. Fabric scissor again. Just follow the line of the shirt too, everybody. It is very easy and simple. Part cutting of the button of the shirt. And everybody, the last, I will cut the sleeve part of the shirt. If I use it to give me comfort impression, just follow the stripe part of the shirt. 1, 2, 3. Just follow the stripe, cut the stripe part of the shirt, and do it in another side of the sleeve part of the shirt. One, two, three, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Just follow the stripe, the white stripe. Finish. And then turn back. We will give a ribbon at the back of the shirt to make look more interesting. Use the part cutting of the shirt to like this. Yes. Now I need sponge double tip to make it better. So do like this. keep a ribbon. So like this, and then put in the bag. So everybody, this is it. Bag ball sweater has done. Thank you, and give me a minute. I will show you the result of the DIY project. Thank you. Give me a minute. Hello everybody, this is it, DIY project bag ball sweater from me. Everybody, thank you for watching this video. See you to the next project of mine. Bye bye.